Let's take a look inside the crimson floor plan at Capstone Village. We begin here in the kitchen. Note the beautiful quartz countertops and new stainless appliances. The spacious dining room where you can comfortably entertain 6 to 8 guests. Adjacent to it is the living room. Each of our crimson apartments have a patio or balcony, a perfect place for a leisurely morning. A pocket door with windows separates the study from the living room. And as we move down the hall, the half bath is on the left, while the stackable washer-dryer is on the right. This large bedroom easily accommodates a king-size suite. Now that you have a taste of our 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath crimson apartment, call us to learn more about Capstone Village, a legendary place to call home.